नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम लक़द कान लकुम फ़ी रसूलिल्लाहि उस्वतुन हसना सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Honorable guests and dear listeners, I would like to present my points on the topic character of Sahaba. Nowadays, every person tries to overcome the other person in the deed world, like wealth and property, but we have to go beyond from other in the good deeds, like Salah, fast, Sadaqah. When we see at the period of Sahaba that they trying to compete each other in the good deeds, I would like to present an example from the period of Sahaba that there existed two people which the Prophet ﷺ taught us about in the time of Prophet. They used to challenge each other on everything they did. They loved each other for the sake of Allah, and they tried to pray and beat each other in the prayer. They pray night prayers and they would fast more days. When the friend heard about his brother that he would fast 2 days, his brother would fast 3 days. When he heard about him that he was fasting every Mondays and Thursdays, the other brother would fast day on day off. When he heard about him that he was fasting every Mondays and Thursdays, the other brother would beat him and do not that much. One day they out to jihad, fighting at battle against people who were attacking the Muslims, attacking the oppressed ones, driving people out of their homes. They thought this is great chance to reach the highest place in the paradise. Cause Allah loves those who defend the weak. So they set out and began to fight in the battle until they lost each other. Then one of them was a captive, and they said to him, they began to torture him, and every time they torture him, you are a captive. He said, I am laughing because Alhamdulillah, I am going to die as a shaheed. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with the Muslims? The same person like you we did, and Allah started to cry, but he settled dead. And Allah said that they meet each other in the paradise. Thank you very much.